everyone, I'm Danish Siddiqui. I hope are you having a great time and keep having a great time in your life. Okay, I hope. So I just want to say something. Firstly, you don't need. I mean, you don't think like negative for me because you were thinking like I am making video because of I need to follower. I need to like like that, bro. I want to improve my English language because English is very important. I will not have to tell anything about it because all people would be know English is very much important in the life. Okay. So that's why reason I am making a video and I want to improve my English language. So as long as I am not improve, I am not about to live it never, because English is very important, too much important. On personal level, I'm not saying like me only for no. Okay. So I just want to say something related to my friend. Yesterday, what happened? Yesterday, my friend was going to home. Okay, my friend was about to go home, and after that, my friend went to the airport and was stuck. And my friend called me. So that time I said, what happened? Why are you calling me? So my friend, bro, I am stuck in Dubai airport. So I mean, firstly, one security come to me and my security check everything. My passport, firstly security say, please give me passport. So I give him passport. Okay, I had given him passport. So that time security was checking and security was saying you will have to plenty. You will have to give money. I mean 200 dirham. You will have to plenty cut 200 dirham. So that time I thought because of I haven't money, I haven't any dirham. So where would I give money, bro? So that's why reason I had to call you. So if you have money, so definitely you give me. If I will go India, so definitely I will give you money return. So that time I said, bro, it is not a big deal for me, okay, because you are my friend. So okay, I am giving you money in order to solve your problem, okay. So and apart from that, I was not live in Dubai. So which people, I mean, who people would you give money? You tell me only for this one. So my friend was saying, bro, I am not about to forget never your favor because you are recommended right now. I keep recommending you always because you help me. I keep remembering your thing because you are so right now you help me. So that's why reason I had to speak, bro. Don't worry. Why are you speaking like only for money? You don't take attention, bro, and go your home and you get a lots of enjoy and happiness. So everything you get, okay. So don't worry, okay. If you will get if you have money, so definitely you give me. But you don't have money, so you have to not give me, okay. I'm not saying you, okay. If you will go India, so compulsory you will have to pay money for me. No like that, okay. So don't think like a negative for me, bro. Okay. So it may just be possible that I am sending money. Okay, right now you solve the problem and go home. Okay, I only for I said of my friend. Okay, I try to understand my friend. My friend is very, I mean, feeling not well. I mean, like a monotonous steps off. My friend was feeling right now. I mean, my friend was feeling in airport. So that time I try to understand him. So don't worry, you go home. So I'm talking about Dubai government is very hard, bro. If you will stuck, I mean, if you will mistake any types of with misconception, so Dubai government is not about to lift you. Okay, you will stuck after go in airport. Everything. Suppose that you have mistake any types of, you are using like a VPN, you are using like, I mean, wrong thing you are doing in your life. I mean, using wrong thing in Dubai. So okay, you can get an enjoy right now, but if you will go airport, so definitely you will stuck. Okay. So because of reason, I mean, security will check your passport and eye, so definitely you will stuck. So bro, that's why reason if you want to go any country, so firstly you should know about the country, atmosphere, country, environment, how is going on environment in the country. I mean, I'm talking about Dubai government is very hard. And I'm talking about India. India, all person keep, I mean, murdering, keep like killed all people, each other fighting. So like that, all people have been killing and fighting each other. So I'm talking about, I mean, India, all person. India government, firstly, India government is not a very well. Because of reason, all India person fight each other. And Dubai, if you will mistake, and if you will say, if you will come in Dubai, you will get see lots of, I mean, all area you will get a camera. So how can you mistake? If you will mistake, so definitely you will be, you will stuck. I mean, you will be arrested by government, you will be arrested by police, security. So everything you will have to face a lot of problem if you will mistake only for one. So bro, so that's why I had told you everything, because this thing is running my mind. I'm making the video because of I want to tell you everything. Okay, about atmosphere in Dubai. Okay. So you have to understand, you try to understand, okay, you will have to understand my thing, because this is very important thing I had told you right now. I have told you right now, sorry. Okay. So you can see here are lots of building, and little building and big building is available. I'm talking about all people. I was asking one day, I mean, little home, in this little home, I mean, who people live in this house. So my friend was saying all small house live in sick, and this type of building and live in like English people. So I'm not about to accept this thing, never. You will accept or not. Okay. So because of Dubai government is sick. So bro, how can you say that live in all small home, live in like a sick people, and I'm talking about this type of building live in English people. I mean English people. Okay. So you believe it or not? Okay, I'm not understanding, but I will have to know everything. Then I will tell you. Okay, so because of reason I am making a video, because I wanted to tell you my friend Ashtak after go in to airport. So if you have to not mistake any types of, so definitely you will get a lots of, I mean, happiness, so everything. And suppose that you are enjoying live in Gulf, okay, and after that you will go to home. So that time if you will stuck in the airport, so you will have to face a lot of problem, because you will have to pay money, I mean 20,000 and 30,000 like that. Okay, you don't forget. So you have to not using any types of BPL, any types of, you have to not a mistake, I mean road crossed. So bro, that's the thing. So thank you. If you if you will get time, so you try to see my video and try to understand everything. Okay, that is very important. I have told you in this video. So that's it. Thank you.